Thank you. Thanks. Maybe Alright, so last time I asked you, you kind of messed up, so I really want to do it over again. I wrote you a little song. Hey Sophia, I want you to know that I met you about 6 months ago. You made me some large fries. You were the best surprise of my life. Then you came walking in the hallway the next day. You had a big gold smile on your face. I couldn't help but just laugh. I don't think you laughed back. What are you doing on 420? And that's our problem, I want to go with somebody. I'm hoping that person is you. Please make my dreams come true.
Oh my God. That definitely made up for last time.